Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove roof on Jeep Gladiator. Begin by parking on level ground, chalking the wheels, and disconnecting the battery for safety. Wear gloves and eye protection while you gather hand tools, a soft blanket, and a friend to help lift panels. Keep bolts organized in labeled bags and take photos of each step to simplify reassembly and avoid missing pieces later. Start with the soft top panels by folding and releasing latches with steady, even pressure. Unzip and remove the rear curtain and side windows slowly to avoid stretching or scratching the vinyl. Use a soft blanket to protect painted surfaces and place each panel in a padded bag. Keep all fasteners in a labeled container so reinstallation is straightforward and hassle-free when you want to put the roof back on. For hard tops, unbolt center fasteners first, then loosen outward bolts in a crisscross pattern. With two people, lift the roof straight up using its designated handles to avoid twisting or damaging the fiberglass. Place the hard top on a padded surface and check the rubber seals for wear or debris. Label the bolts and hardware for each side so reassembly is quick, neat, and avoids alignment problems later on.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.